Good morning. Happy Tuesday. May says good morning too.
What are you doing, Mazers? Are you so excited? Look. Good morning. Good morning.
She's done with me, so.
Go check out the garden. Here we go. Maze, what are you doing? Can you tell everybody hi?
This is what we got today for the garden haul. I'm using the grow bags I'm trying out. It's a shame it's not hot out here because I just picked some kale and I could totally fan myself with it. Okay.
Come on. You crossed it. You messed it up. Come on. Look. Dine and dash. No. Wait a second. I'm too fat for this, okay? Too fat. Too fat.
That's the wheat field. I just got off work actually. I'm headed to get Papa, switch out with him. I'm gonna start combining. He's gonna go get some more trucks. Aaron is combining on the other side of the road. Sean is about to start disking ditches. Uncle Johannes is spraying. It's gonna be a good afternoon. So. Switched out with Papa and he is combining, and Aaron came over here to help us finish over on this field, and guess what? Chicken butt. No, I'm just kidding. We are about to wrap up Wheat Harvest 22. What's done today?
Harvest is done.